Are you a video editor, or you are aspiring to be a video editor and you are looking for the best video software that you need to be using? Well, this video gets you covered. So on this video, I'm going to show you the top 6 best video editing software that you have to use. So without much ado, let's get started. Please make sure you consider to subscribe to this channel so as to get notified when a new content is out. Number 1 on the list is Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro has been on the market since. It is suitable for demanding user. It is very expansive professionalism level of video digital program with excellent collaboration too. It is very clear and it have a flexible interface. It have an excellent stabilization through unlimited multicam angles, many organizations to responsive speed. This software, people, editors have been using this software for quite a period of time. Number 2 on our list is Final Cut Pro. This software offers a wealth of video editing, powerful interface, and it is very good for professionals. It has a multicam support also. It is very fast. It supports 360-degree footage and add wide color spaces. It is kind of a magnetic and have a trackness timeline. Number 3 on the list is Apple iMovie. Apple entry level desktop video editing application can actually turn your footage and photo into impressive production. It have lots of audio tools. It have excellent movie templates. It have a classic theme. It have a color matching for consistent movie looks, and also have a beautiful and simple interface. Number 4 on the list is Wondershare Filmora. Filmora video editing software is very powerful, and a lot of beginners and professionals are using this software. It is inexpensive. It have a lot of effects and overlay, good titles and text too. It have a fast rendering in text and have a very beautiful interface. Number 5 on the list is DaVinci Resolve. This software is massively powerful. It can be used to cut. It's used for keyframing, color grading, audio tools, pros, and also have a free version. It is clear and well designed interface. It includes motion graphics and audio editing. And if you need this software, check out the description below and check through their website. And the last on the list is Pinnacle Studio Ultimate. It is very fast, full feature and nearly pro level video editing software. Very good in performing upgrade. It allow new mark motion tracking, titling and audio too. It have multicam editing, powerful title editor and others. All these software are very good for video editing. If you love this video, please consider to subscribe. See you in the next video.